y'all, it's Hannah and welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. If you're new here, hi, hello, and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this really pretty eye look that is kind of festival inspired, and the reason that I'm going to be calling this a festival inspired look is because I did this whole entire eyeshadow look using the BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous palette, and I absolutely love it, and I just cannot get enough of it. And I think the shadows in this palette are very, very beautiful and very easy to work with. So if you would like to see me create this really pretty festivalish look, then just go ahead and keep on watching this video. I'm going to be taking the shade Hippie, and I'm going to be applying that to the inner half of my crease using this small, tiny little detailed crease brush. And the reason why I'm using this brush is because we are going to do a cut crease in a minute, and I like to use these tiny little detailed brushes in my crease when I'm going to do a cut crease, so that way it's a little bit more detailed out. I saw this trick on Twitter a couple of days ago that if you take a thing of rubbing alcohol and you just kind of swirl your brush in it, and then you kind of wipe off your brush on a wet rag, I'm just using a paper towel, it will actually instantly clean your brushes, so that way when you're doing colorful looks like I'm doing today, you don't accidentally mix the colors together, and you'll kind of have a fresh clean brush to work with. Now taking the shade Dippie, I'm going to work that onto the outer half of my lid and into my crease using this little fluffy crease brush. Now I'm going to do a half cut crease. I'm going to use the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. This is just in the shade Ivory, and I'm going to do a half cut crease using this foundation, and then I'm going to be blending it out with this little concealer brush. Now I'm going to take the shade Trixie, and I'm going to be applying it right where we cut that crease. Now I'm going to be curling my eyelashes and putting on some mascara. The mascara that I'm using today is the Believe Beauty Extended Lash Lengthening Mascara. I'm trying to use this mascara up, so if y'all see this in a couple of tutorials back to back, that is why. Last but certainly not least for the eyes is a false eyelash, and I'm going to be using the AOA Studio, which is from the Shop Miss A website lashes, and these are in the style Rita. Alrighty, so I'm back and I did my face off camera, so now we're going to go ahead and finish up the rest of my makeup. So first, I'm going to use the shade Dippie, and I'm going to be smudging that along my lower lash line, and then I'm going to be popping on some mascara onto my bottom lashes. I'm just going to be using the same Believe Beauty mascara that we use on my upper lashes. Some color back into my face. So first we're going to go in with bronzer, and I'm going to be using the Benefit Cheekleaders Bronze Squad palette, and I'm going to be using the original Hoola bronzer from the palette to warm up my complexion. For blush, I'm going to be using the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in the shade Quirky. This is just a really pretty color, and I have been obsessed with it recently. And to apply it, I'm just going to be using this little angled brush. For highlighter today, I'm going to be using the Balm Mary Lou Luminizer, and this is a really pretty highlight. This is a very, very subtle, natural, everyday highlight, but I feel like since we've got a lot going on with the eyes, I really want to keep the face and the lips minimal, so that's why I chose this highlight today. And to apply it, I'm just going to be using this Chichico little face highlighter brush. Last but certainly not least is lips, and then we're done. So for lips, I'm going to be using the Maybelline lipstick in the shade Baddest Beige. This is just a really pretty nude color, and I love the glossy finish that this lipstick gives. So that is why I'm using it today. Alrighty, Alrighty, y'all, so that concludes this makeup tutorial. I really hope that you all did enjoy watching this video because I had a lot of fun creating this look. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up down below if you did enjoy it, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and come and be a part of my unicorns. I post and upload new videos every Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays at 9:45 a.m. Eastern Time. And also don't forget to go over and give me a follow on social media so that way you can keep up with me. And so yeah, thank you all so much for watching this video. I really had a lot of fun at creating this makeup look, and I will see you all in Saturday's video. Bye, my little unicorns.